Right, guys, lesson 6. Lesson 6, we're looking at this lighthouse and we're making some changes to it. Yeah, so here we go. This is, let me do this better. Okay, so this is before and this is after. Okay, so we've cropped it, we've straightened it. Yeah, the horizon is now straight, and we've recolored it, and we've removed the wires. Yeah, and we've also removed this junk from here. Okay, and really not very difficult. Yeah, so let's go ahead get started. This, okay, so I've just done that. Let me delete that. Open this with GIMP. Now, what to do first? Let's recolor it first. Okay, so we can go to colors, we can go auto, and we've got a few options here, and it's worth spending a couple of minutes looking at each of these. Okay, so we've got white balance. That's okay. I can undo that. Auto, color enhance is a bit stronger, okay, and I prefer that one. Yeah, but it's up to you. If you want to use white balance, you can use that. That's okay. But I'm going to use color enhance. Right, okay, so we need to rotate it, yeah, because we can see that this horizon line is not straight. So tools, transform, rotate. You might find it useful to get like your course book or something and put it on the screen so that you can see what's straight, yeah? Because, wait, obviously that's too much. Obviously that's too much. Wait, hello. So slowly is the way to do it here, I think, yeah? So something like that, 2.5. That looks about right, okay? It's approximately right. Negative 2.5. Okay, done. Right. Next, let's crop it. Okay, so I've got my crop tool here, yeah? And I want to fix the aspect ratio. Now what that means is, at the moment I can fix any, I can crop any size, yeah? But I don't want that, I want it to crop to a specific ratio. And that ratio is 9:16. And that is kind of widescreen, but it's widescreen horizontally. Sorry, no, it's widescreen vertically, not horizontally. Yeah, so I've typed this in already, so 9:16. And now, this works much like the ellipsis tool. Okay, if I hold down shift, it now locks to that aspect ratio. Yeah. If I take my finger off the shift key, I can do any sort of shape I want. Let me escape that. So I can approximate and then hold down shift, and I get exactly 9:16 aspect ratio. Okay, good. Happy with that. Going to press enter. So I've thrown away the rest of it. Layer to image size. Good. Let's select. No, hang on. And then. Okay, fine. Right. Now what's next? Now we're making good progress. Now I want to get rid of these wires here. So let's zoom in. 200%. Okay, good. I'm going to use the clone tool here. So we can go tools, paint tools, clone. Yeah. We could use the heal tool, but we just want to copy, really. We just, because there's no deviation, we just want to copy bits of sand here to bits of sand here. So use command and click, and then just paint over it. Yeah. If you want to increase your size, you should have this kind of menu here. And nice and easy. Really nice and easy. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of this. It's not perfect, but it's quite good. Yeah? Good. Is there any over here? Yes, there is. Okay, so command set a new source. Wait, hello. And then we'll just paint over. Wait, sorry. Then we'll just paint over this. Good. That all looks quite good. The tricky bit, I mean, it's not very tricky, but the more delicate bit is up here. Maybe 400 is okay. Yeah. Now I need a smaller size for this. What to do first? Let's get rid of this bit first. Okay, so command and click. And then get rid of this. It's not perfect, but it's okay. Now that's not good. I'm going to undo that. I'm going to reselect a source here. That looks nice. And that looks nice as well. Okay, good. That's good. Okay, good. Fine. Let's get rid of this bit here now. So command and click, and then we should just be able to go up like this. Let's have a new source near here. Let's get rid of this now. Yeah, that's all looking, it's looking okay. It's not perfect, but it's okay. Up here is a little bit more delicate, so I'm going to zoom right in for this. Okay, so I'll set my source here and then just paint over this. That's right. I'm not too interested in the stain. Yeah, I'm going to leave that there. That's fine. Now here we can see this is really pixelated. So I'll have that and then just over there. That's okay. Have a new source and then just paint over this. Yeah, not the best. Let me do that again. Yeah, happy with that. Let me put this size right down. New source here. And let's paint down. Okay, good. Yeah, happy with that. Doesn't have to be perfect, but that is pretty good. And we're done. Yeah, that's it. File, export as, export that as whatever it is, as you're finished. Yeah, easy peasy. I'm going to export it as finished to. Nice. That goes into portfolio. Easy. Job done. See you in the next lesson.